Guys, this is the Reolink Duo 3V, a dual lens security camera designed to give you crystal clear panoramic coverage in one rugged tamper resistant package. In this video, I'm going to show you its key features, real world performance, and why I think it's one of the most complete home security systems you can buy in 2025. So stick around, I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, if you don't know Reolink, well, they're known for making reliable, feature-packed cameras that don't cost a fortune. The Duo 3V is their latest entry in the Duo lineup, and it's designed for people who want wide-angle coverage, AI detection and rugged durability all in one device. So instead of needing two cameras to cover an area, the Duo 3V gives you a full panoramic view from a single mount. It's cleaner, simpler and more secure. Now guys, before we get into it, Reolink reached out to me and asked me to take a look at this security camera and give it an honest review. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and you get the Duo 3V itself. You get all the mounting hardware that you're going to need, including waterproof connectors, screws, a drill template and the usual paperwork. And straight away guys, this looks like a serious piece of kit. It's dome style with dual lenses housed behind a thick protective cover. And that cover isn't just for looks, it's rated IK10, which means it's resistant to impact and tampering. Perfect for spots where the camera might be in reach. Now guys, the headline feature of this camera is the video quality, and the Duo 3V records at a massive 7680 by 2160 pixels. That's dual 4K lenses stitched together seamlessly. So what does that mean for you? Well, you get a full 180-degree panoramic view, fewer blind spots and more detail if you need to zoom in on recordings. Now, during the day, guys, footage is sharp and colourful. At night, you can choose between traditional infrared or full colour night vision with its built-in spotlights. That means whether it's pitch black or dimly lit, you're always going to have clear visibility. Now guys, one of my favourite features is the smart detection. The Duo 3V uses AI to distinguish between people, vehicles and even pets. This means you don't get spammed with false alerts every time a tree moves in the wind. Instead, you only get notified when something important happens, like someone approaching your door or a car pulling onto your driveway. And guys, this camera is built to last. The V in 3V, in that name 3V, has been said to stand for vandalism. Yep, vandalism. The dome is IK10 vandal resistant and the body is IP67 weatherproof. Rain, snow, dust or even a knock from a stray football or hammer. It's designed to keep working no matter what. For anyone installing the camera in accessible locations like a garage wall, a gate post or even a side alley, that extra protection gives you a real peace of mind. Now guys, what about connectivity? Well, the Duo 3V uses power over Ethernet or PoE. That means a single cable handles both data and power, making the installation clean and simple. And when it comes to video storage, you can either connect it to a Reolink NVR for a full multi-camera system, use micro SD cards for recording directly into the camera, or record to a Reolink cloud plan if you prefer remote storage. Whichever way you choose, playback is quick and easy through the Reolink app or desktop software. Now guys, taking a look at the app and usage. I mean, in daily use, the Reolink app makes things really simple. You can view live footage, scrub back through recordings, set up custom motion zones to reduce false alerts, and even talk back using the two-way audio. And for me, the biggest convenience and benefit is knowing that I can open my phone at any time and see exactly what's happening around my home. And after living with it, what I really like is how much coverage I get from just one camera. Instead of needing two or more separate devices, I've got one unit giving me the whole picture, and that saves time, money, and hassle while giving me peace of mind. Now guys, what about installation? Well, installation was pretty easy. First of all, you've got to set this up by plugging it into your router, and it will just connect to your network straight away. And you've got to use that PoE device or a 12-volt adapter. Now, you unscrew the top of the dome, and that gives you access to the mounting holes for the screws. So basically, take your template, put it on the wall or the surface that you want to mount it on, make your holes using the template, screw the 3V to the surface, put your dome back on, connect up your cable to your Ethernet, and you are good to go. I mean, it really is that simple. So guys, there you have it. Should you get the Reolink Duo 3V? Well, if you want wide coverage, smart detection, rugged durability, a camera that handles day and night in great quality, and all of that rugged durability all in one package, this camera is hard to beat. It's built tough, can withstand a beating even from a hammer. There are some videos where somebody takes a hammer to one of these. I didn't want to do that, but it's possible. And it records in stunning quality and gives you the reassurance that your home or business is properly covered. Then upgrading to this camera is absolutely worth a shot for you. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick up this camera with 20% discount just at £127.99, which is a steal, which is more than what anyone's going to be doing on your property. Guys, I'll leave any product links and any further discount codes in the description. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Reolink for sending me this very capable security camera to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.